This is case study assignment number 7, Analyze a Report. The report is laid out as follows. The introduction is an overview of the program. It includes the purpose of the evaluation, program description, objectives, and evaluation questions. The data methodology section includes the design of the evaluation, priority population, the instrumentation, data collection procedures, data analysis procedures, and limitations. The results include description of the findings, program and participant descriptions, rationale or justification for the evaluation, answers to evaluation questions. It addresses special concerns, explanation of findings, charts and graphs of findings, interpretation of results, and conclusions about the program effectiveness. There is a discussion section that's been added there. It includes the interpretation of results, conclusions about the program effectiveness, and determining if additional information is needed. At the end is the recommendations for the program. The report is written in third person. The intended audience is Feeding America and American University. The abstract and executive summary components were missing, and many elements were in the wrong sections. The format here was not followed. There were various types of data that were collected. I've listed all of those here, and they were presented in several forms, including numerical tables, textual tables, statistical tables, and a vertical graph. My general observations include the fact that their data limitations mention that the data collections only represent one day's distributions in the whole year. On page 12, the comment is made that many schools have 40 to 50% student turnover rates. So my question is, how accurate is the evaluation? Time and money is the bottom line in the structure of many of these programs. So I felt like marketing should require more funding, as the recipients do seem to be satisfied with everything else but the convenience issue. I also felt that if the evaluators were interested in streamlining this across the board, they should consider reverting to the pre-box model. It seems to be easier on the school system, and the recipients seem satisfied with this model as well. I noticed several conflicting items, and I've listed them here. I also could not find justification for some of their recommendations, and I've discussed that as well. In the end, I theorized that this program is clearly supplemental in the big picture, so as long as they theorize that school budgets and resources will determine the model used, the stakeholders should expect variance in the management of school pantry distributions. This is the end of my presentation.